This how to 1 minute will show you how to add an add-on domain in cPanel. What is an add-on domain? Add-on domain means where you can host multiple domain names simultaneously. This means you can host additional websites and email accounts without purchasing a new hosting plan. An add-on domain is the name for this feature. To add a new domain name to your hosting account, now follow this step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, log into your hosting provider website. I'm using Namecheap hosting, so I've logged into my Namecheap account. So here's I'm in my Namecheap account and hovering on account and clicking on domain list. Now you will get here your domain. Click on manage and you will get this name servers option here. So click on this drop down and you have to select Namecheap web hosting DNS. Click on this save icon. And it's time to add a new domain as an add-on domain. To do that, you have to open your cPanel. Once you are in your cPanel, scroll down and under domains, click on domains. Now click on create a new domain. Enter the domain name to add in the domain text box. Make sure to deselect this box. And enter the directory where you want to add the files for this domain to exist. Then click on submit. This is how we can add add-on domains in cPanel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.